going to quickly explain to you exactly how a VPN works and how you can get the #1 VPN on the internet right now, which is NordVPN. I have a special deal underneath this video, but first let me go into exactly how it works, because a lot of people are going to notice the meme I'm about to show you making very confusing work out of explaining what a VPN is. So you can see here, guys, all right, me trying to explain how a VPN works. Sometimes when somebody tries to speak to you and overcomplicate things, it actually does look like this meme, all right? Someone say, well, a VPN does this, it bounces between. Guys, it's extremely simple. Let me explain to you. No longer do you have to be crazy like the guy out of Always Sunny, all right, explaining what a VPN is. A VPN is very simple. So for example, we have NordVPN right in front of me. This is one of the fastest on the market right now. Okay, I'm gonna click quick connect. So right now I am sat in Bali, Indonesia, where I live. Okay, and I'm gonna quick connect. This will connect me to the best server closest to me. Okay, not only do people over explain VPNs, they always say, oh, you need to connect to a different country. You actually don't. You can connect to the same country and still be safe. Okay, there's benefits to connecting to different countries, and I'll talk about that throughout this channel, so make sure you watch all the videos. So for example, I'm now connected to an Indonesian VPN, still in Indonesia, the same country I'm in, and the reason being is because I am now protected. Okay, so I want to say simple words of how this works, all right? Very simple. When you're connected to a VPN, the VPN acts as an intermediary between the user, which is myself, and getting online and connecting to the internet. Okay, so I am connected to the same internet that all of you are connected to, but I have a tunnel where all my data goes through and nobody can see or get it. If you do not use a VPN, you are connected to the same internet everybody's connected to, but any corporation, anyone can come and see the personal data that you use on any websites. Okay, guys, data is one of the most valuable things in the world, and if you're not protecting it, you are just giving it away for free, and you are giving away things that you probably don't even realize you're giving away. Now, I'm connected to Indonesia, so it means I am still protected because I got my VPN on. But let's say, example, I want to connect to the Bahamas because I might want to watch a Netflix documentary in the Bahamas Netflix category. I just click one button on Bahamas on NordVPN and I am there. If I wanted to connect to Argentina, within 3 seconds of me finishing the sentence, I am now connected to Argentina. This is unbelievable, guys. It protects my IP, and that's why NordVPN is the best on the market. So if you want to hit my link down below, guys, you're going to get the best deal you can with NordVPN. You're going to save 73% and get 4 months for free. If you use the normal VPN website of NordVPN, you are only going to get 71% savings and 3 months for free. So I know it's a no-brainer to use my link down below because I've got it especially for you guys and this community. Get that deal, get NordVPN right now, and just be protected. Put your data into a tunnel of protection. Don't let anybody else use it without your permission. I'll see you next time after you've hit that like button, subscribe, and the bell. Let's get it.